Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove movies or shows from your watch list on your Filmzie account. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video without further ado. Open your Filmzie application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your account if you've not already. From the main homepage, tap on the profile picture located at the bottom right hand corner, which will then open up the settings menu. Now, tap on the watch list option and you will be able to see all of the movies and shows that you've added on the list. To remove a movie from watch list, simply tap on the movie and once you end up in this page, tap on the heart icon right next to play in order to remove the content from your watch list. You can repeat this step for every other content you don't want to see on your watch list, and that is how you have successfully removed contents from your watch list on Filmzie. So that is pretty much it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.